If you were at the embassy last November, you might have heard this guy play this song. Doctor, my eyes have seen the years through the slow parade of fears without hiding. Now I want to understand. Well, I have done all that I could, seen the evil and the good without crying. You must help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong. Was I unwise to leave them open for so long? Now I have wandered through this world as each moment has unfurled. I've been waiting to awaken from these dreams. People go just where they will. I never noticed them until I got this feeling that is paler than it seems. Oh, doctor, my eyes, I cannot see the sky. Is this the price for having learned how not to cry? Doctor, my eyes, tell me what you see.